Friends, again welcome back to our YouTube channel English Academy. I am Ajay Kumar, the English trainer. Think of procrastination. See, what is procrastination? Procrastination, that's the only hindrance to the human success. That's the main cause of human failure. So you or me are failures because of this character, procrastination. See, what is procrastination? In Malayalam, മാറ്റിവെക്കുന്ന സ്വഭാവം. Procrastination is to human beings because all human beings have a primitive brain. All human beings have a primitive brain. We have procrastination tendency. See, when a person or a man decided to do a thing, he would begin to take the action, or he would begin the action within 6 or 10 seconds. That's a psychology of every human being. When a person decided to do a thing, a human being decided to think, he would take the first action within 6 or 10 seconds. If not, he or she will not do it that in his or her lifetime. Because human beings have a primitive brain, and always it leaves us to our comfort zone. Nicely, these human beings' primitive brain leads them to the comfort zone. So, procrastination, that should be avoided from your character. If you wanted to achieve something, if you wanted to do something, do it at the same second. Whatever you needed will follow you. So, to avoid procrastination, you should do things right now, right?